Hello everyone, this is Rida from GraphicZone.net and welcome back to this new tutorial. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to quickly remove an image background using Photoshop. Open up your image in Photoshop, then go to Select and select Object. You can press Q for Quick Mask Preview. Then choose the Quick Selection tool and click on Select and Mask in the submenu. Choose the Refine Brush tool in order to bring more details and try to refine it as much as you can. Then go to the output settings and choose Create a new layer with a new layer mask. Next, create a new layer, then press Alt and go between the two layers and make the new layer as a clipping mask, which will apply it only in the layer beneath it. Now you can choose this stamp tool and make sure that the settings is current and below, and start to pick up areas from the image by pressing Alt, then apply it in the clipping mask layer. That's it. I hope you find this video useful. Give it a thumbs up if you like it and let me know in the comments below what you think. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.